Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro. Today I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to replace the old faucet in your RV kitchen with a brand new one. It's a surprisingly easy process and doesn't take very long. Should only take you about 20 minutes. Some tools you might need may include a screwdriver, pliers in case the fittings are a little too tight to undo, and your own two hands. Like I said, it's very simple, so let's go ahead and get into it and show you how it's done. Once the water pump has been turned off and the water is out of the system, we'll go underneath the sink in the cabinet. We will then disconnect the cold water line and the hot water line. Once the water lines are disconnected, we will loosen the nuts that are holding the faucet to the sink. Now, since this particular model of faucet has a pull-down spray nozzle, we have to take a Phillips head screwdriver or screw gun and undo the weight so that it will fit through the hole. Once the weight has been undone, we can go back up top and start pulling out the old faucet. And then we'll take the new faucet and put it in the faucet holes that are there from the previous faucet. Then we'll go back down under the cabinet and take the nuts and tighten them to each side of the faucet to secure the faucet to the sink. Once they're secure, we can then reconnect the cold water line and the hot water line. And again, we'll want to make sure those are nice and tight and secure so we don't get any leaks. When all that is done, we can turn the water pump back on, open up the faucet, and look out for any leaks or drips or spills to make sure everything is functioning properly. And that about covers it. The installation process can sometimes vary depending on the model of faucet you're replacing your old one with, but in general, these same steps apply to almost every model out there. Like I said, it's very simple, very straightforward, it's quick, and it's easy to do. And it's an easy way to help enhance the looks of your RV kitchen. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of what we do in the future, including product overviews, tips, tricks, installations, and other how-tos, remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.